Hello friends, today I am showing you NexHome mattress protector. This is a mattress pad and this is used to protect the mattress. This is the queen size mattress protector. This is very helpful if you have small kids and they can spill or they spill something on your bed. So this mattress protector will actually protect it. And let's see the quality of it and then I can say more about it. But you can see that the fabric itself look very soft, so it's not like the plastic thing that will make the sound while you sleep on it. So this comes in a great packing. You can see like the zipper and then the pack itself for storage. Let me open this. So this is the soft fabric and comfortable fabric on the top. This is the waterproof fabric that is used to protect the mattress from any accidental spill of liquids. You can see this is the side way on the mattress that goes on the side. This have the elasticity stuff so that it can go onto the mattress and hold well on it. Some things comes like from the both side of mattress and have the zipper. This one have one side of the mattress pad and with the elastic bands. The stitching and everything looks fine, and you can see the fabric itself have the cuffs on it so that it is very smooth and comfortable while you sleep. I will put it on the bed and show you how this will feel and look on the bed if the size fits well on it. So here I am putting it on my mattress and you can see that from the corners it holds well from the corner. Actually my mattress have some print on it, so that's why you are seeing the print, but this is the plain clear mattress pad. So from here you can see that it holds well on the corners and covers all the mattress from the top inside. The design look good, it is comfortable and fabric is comfortable. I don't feel any sound like a plastic sheet, so that it will protect it. This elastic band holds well on the mattress from that. So you can see in the corner the elastic bands holds well on the mattress, so this will not come out while you are sleeping and kids are playing on the mattress. This is the great mattress I will say, and mattress pad, and holds well.